now to a News 5 follow-up for you at 10. Court records show the district attorney has now dropped charges for a Colorado Springs man suing the police department after he was injured during a traffic stop.
The incident happened back on October 9th. The body camera video showed police saying they wanted to investigate 29-year-old Dalvin Gadson for possible DUI. Things escalated when Gadson refused to get out of the car. Eventually, officers are seen punching him multiple times. News 5's Maggie Bryan spoke with Gadson's lawyer today after the DA's office dropped those criminal charges. She joins us here in studio with why that decision was made. Maggie.
Gadson was facing charges of unlawful display of a license plate, resisting arrest, and obstructing a peace officer. But today, the DA's office says it would not be able to prosecute 2 of those charges because there is no probable cause.
Those officers should be terminated, and they should not be on the streets.
Over 3 months have passed since the traffic stop in Colorado Springs that put 29-year-old Dalvin Gadson in the hospital.
Gonna ask you to just not reach for anything and step on out of the vehicle, okay?
This is the parking lot where Colorado Springs police first stopped Gadson in his car back on October 9th. These court documents reveal Gadson was driving along Academy here with no license plates and going 15 miles per hour in a 45-mile-per-hour zone. Officers told Gadson they were arresting him on suspicion of a DUI.
Hands behind your back.
Step out of the car, man.
Hands behind my back.
Yes, you're going to be detained in handcuffs.
No, I'm not.
You're about to stand up.
Which is when things escalated and ended with officers repeatedly punching him. The DA's office now says all criminal charges against Gadson, including resisting arrest and obstructing a peace officer, have been dropped. The office said in a statement there is no probable cause to support the charges.
No issue apology.
Harry Daniels, Gadson's lawyer, says his client only had to pay a $15 fine for unlawful display of a license plate.
That's one less thing that Dalvin have to worry about, and we are happy that the DA looked at the facts and the evidence in this case and the law and came to the same conclusion that we came to.
A federal lawsuit filed by Gadson's lawyers is still pending against the 3 officers involved in the traffic stop.
Hand behind your back now!
In it, Gadson's lawyers say officers should have given a clear verbal warning of their intent to use force.
I believe we already had a great case already, but I think the case is better posture even now that the case was dismissed. The charge was dismissed.
Daniel says they are hoping for criminal charges against the officers involved.
I mean, Dalvin, he took responsibility for his acts by paying a $15 fine of not having tag properly displayed. It's time for those officers to take responsibility for their actions.
Hand behind your back now!
Colorado Springs Police Chief Adrian Vasquez declined to comment because of a pending internal investigation and civil litigation. So what about the officers involved? Well, in December, CSPD said the officers' use of force was found to be within department policy. However, today the department said, quote, Chief Vasquez has made no determination on the action of the involved officers, end quote. Diane.